Hi, Aisha. Yeah,
Hello.
so yeah, please introduce yourself to the audience. Yeah,
Yes, I am Aisha Yasmeen. I've pursued my B Pharm from Madras Medical College. I've joined Pharmamines in the third year. I wrote Gpat in the third year too, and I knew that okay, let's write NIPER. I have to get into NIPER, like it's the last choice. Pharma student can have like नाइपर चले गए तो सब अच्छा ही होगा like
definitely.
आप आपसे देख के बहुत ही
Hmm.
मोटिवेशन मिलता था like okay आपके वीडियोस देखते थे then
Hmm.
I decided to join Pharma Minds and we used to write tests आप बहुत ही मोटिवेशन देते थे
Okay.
like ऐसे ही चलता गया सर
Total focus on GPAT and NIPER.
टोटल फोकस ऑन जी पैटर्न
Yeah,
ये और कुछ ये नहीं तो कुछ नहीं
and let me tell you, all of you, the audience, Aisha have already qualified GPAT last year, and trust me, the last year GPAT was very tough, and she got 433 rank in GPAT, and this year she has made in top 10 rank 7 NIPER, and I'm sure that she'll get a great rank in GPAT also. When it will be coming out, I'll let you know. Yeah, so Aisha, tell me what were the challenges that you faced throughout the journey?
the challenges were truly college life. It was the project work, the mentors. They used to like बहुत सारा project work रहता था.
Haha.
It was very hectic, so like we couldn't concentrate on the studies of GPAT and NIPER.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the and I'm not at all consistent in anything which I do. I'm not at all consistent. Either I'll be like okay चलो ये movie देखते हैं ये series देखते हैं ऐसे ही रहती थी. So that consistency I used to lack in it very much. And Pharma Minds has helped me a lot through to build up this consistency. Dipanshu sir, Akash sir, everyone like Dipanshu sir would, used to call me like आपका chemistry बहुत weak है. You should focus on it.
Okay.
Okay, तो मैं टाइम टेबल बनाती थी तो केमिस्ट्री में ये पढ़ना चाहिए वो पढ़ना चाहिए like he
Mm-hmm.
pushed me through chemistry otherwise I wouldn't have been able to do so. I would have चलो college ही तो बहुत अच्छा आता है. I'll do college ही, I'll do CUET. The minor subjects and the subjects which where I am weak, you guys have pushed me a lot through. Like do it, this or nothing.
Okay, that's a great answer, Aisha. So, what was your first response, the family response जब prank आया तो कैसा लगा उस समय?
तो मैंने फर्स्ट ओपन किया my hands were
हाँ,
trembling
okay, I can feel it.
and
Okay.
I saw the number. I was not sure that if I am the rank 7. I was not at all sure. I sent it to Abdul like Abdul देख के बताओ
Rank 7
say
आया कि
if
नहीं?
it's really me, if it's really me அப்படின்னு.
Hmm.
Then he said yes it's really you. Okay, then I
हाँ.
said it to my parents. I was really on cloud 9.
Hmm.
I didn't expect that. I was expecting like around under 100, under 100. I was expecting. I didn't expect this,
Hmm.
and it's really due to the practice and the consistency which Pharma Minds have helped me to build. Yes, sir.
Hmm. You know what? I believed in you, but that you will be scoring and getting a
Yes, sir.
rank.
You guys used to tell me like you'll be pakka, you'll be in top 10. I was like top 10 तो नहीं होएगा, but somehow
Okay.
I have managed.
Yeah, you actually did a lot of hard work, and I know that. And strategies also, because qualifying GPAT last year 433 rank was a great achievement. Was last year
Uh,
GPAT was very tough, very tough.
Yes,
This
but to be honest, we wrote GPAT just like that. Like my friends, Jeevita was the only one who pushed me. Like, likho GPAT, likho. I was like, no, let's not write it. She's the only one. Like, let's write NIPER, let's write GPAT, let's join into Pharma Minds.
अच्छा
Like,
अच्छा
she has helped me a lot through all of
हाँ
this. Otherwise, I'll be like, okay, no problem. We will write GPAT next year. When I wrote the GPAT in the third year, then I got to know my potential. Then okay, we have to appear for NIPER somehow. So
okay.
yes,
Thank you, Jeevita. You got everyone into farmer minds. Okay, okay, that's great, Aisha. That's great. So what's the one thing that pushed you like to work hard throughout 2 years?
the one thing that have pushed me to qualify the GPAT was the stipend.
Hmm.
Like somehow if I get the stipend, I could manage my fee in NIPER too. And the motivation which have pushed me to get in NIPER is the exposure.
Hmm.
Like the tag of an Niperian. If I am a medical student, it's
Hmm.
AIMS. If it's an engineering, it's IIT. Then I've entered into pharmacy. Now what should I do? What's the next step I should do? It's definitely NIPER, and definitely I needed the NIPER tag, and that's the only motivation. If I get demotivated, I used to watch LinkedIn. LinkedIn was full of Niperians, NIPER, everything. I used to watch that, and
Haha.
okay, चलो वहाँ पर जाना ही चाहिए.
सही बात है.
That's the motivation.
That's great, yeah. I wish you all the best for the future, and God bless
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, you'll do great, yeah.